So this topic is basically for error, the common error which will occur during the embedded C programming. Not only here, these are the common for any programming language. The programming language is basically the case sensitive. So if you go through the deep of the programming language, you can find that the letters are arranged so that the people understand that what is the inner meaning of it. To make different with the common languages. Suppose you are studying at NIT, Arunachal Pradesh. So one may say that National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh, National Institute of Technology, comma, Arunachal Pradesh, and someone say that NIT, comma, AP, NIT, comma, Arunachal Pradesh. So the different way you can write. So since it is a machine not understand that what is the exact meaning, what you want, means that your language should be clear, because the instructions are embedded, the instructions are arranged so that it will clearly understand that what the programmer want to do. So like the programming language is also the case sensitive. So if you write myvar, so myvar is the my variable name. So you can say that myvar, that V is capital, and I have to look at that M is capital and V is capital. So both are the different. Both are the different, and you can use it. Second type of error may be occur white page, that page, tab, blank lines is all collapse to the equivalent of a single page. Means if you give the blank line or page or tab, means small gap or 2 or 3 page, so it will all collapse and it considered as a single page. Clear? Like if you write my and then give one page, then you write var. So this will be same as my. If you give the first one is the single page, now you give the 4 page and write the var. So the compiler is understand that it will be the single page, or single page, single tab, single blank lines, all are the same, equivalent of a single page. So if you write to the block of code is generally encapsulated. So encapsulated by using the second bracket. Okay, look at the curly bracket. So curly braces are used to represent the block of code. Okay. So if you start a curly brace on, then you must have closed it, otherwise it will give you the error. Then every open parenthesis must have matching close parenthesis. Okay, so open parenthesis must have the close parenthesis. If it is not match, then it will give error. So there are no commas in number. So you must say 1000. So delay 1000, not delay 1 comma 3 zeros. Okay. So if you give it, then it give you the error message. So each program statement need to end with a semicolon. So all program statement must end with a semicolon. In general, this means that each line of the program will have a semicolon. But there is some exceptional. So semicolons, like everything, are ignored in comments, and semicolons are not used after the end of the curly brace. So semicolons are not used at the end of the curly braces. So in case of the white page, the additional spaces or tabs or the blank lines is considered a single page. Means if you write the variable name and give you 10 time page and the number, but if you write name and single page and the number, means it, the compiler knows that it is a human error and only one page are there. Now